Hey, this is Chap Nova. Today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited blog content in your WordPress website for 100% free. This is a free tool. It's basically a free WordPress plugin that you're going to get access to, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works today. You know, a lot of people ask me questions on, do I need more traffic? Do I need more content? What it is that they need. And the answer is to get the traffic you need more content. And a lot of people, when they first get started, and even, after you've written like hundreds or even thousands of articles, you feel like you run out of, different content ideas, even though, you can look on the news and certain things, but sometimes it doesn't go with your particular topic. So that's why I built My Content Creator Pro, the free version for everybody, to kind of give back and to give people the opportunity to have unlimited content in any category they want. Because what we do is, once you sign up for My Content Creator Pro, the free version, if you don't see your category in here in your topic, you can basically just send us an email, a support ticket, and tell us what topics you want to be written. And every time someone asks, we write 100 articles for each topic. And our system writes the articles with ChatGPT, with the professional that we have that's an expert in WordPress, with SEO optimization, with article marketing. So this person has set up prompts within our system, and I'll show you here in just a little bit on how our system writes the articles, and I'll show you the titles and all that good stuff. But these articles rank in Google and other search engines and in AI overview, okay? So basically, let's get started here. So I'm going to give you a link below this video in the description and in the YouTube comment section, but please watch the whole video so you can actually see how this works and how it can help you, so you can get any kind of questions you might have in the beginning answered as I show you. So basically, once you install My Content Creator Pro, the free version, you're going to come over here and you're going to come down to Auto Content Creation, okay? So we go right here, and we decide what topic we want to write about. So what you need to do is kind of come over here, look which topic that has to go with your blog, and so you can find unlimited content in your niche. Okay, so I'm gonna look for actually copywriting. That's a powerful one that a lot of people have questions about. So I'm gonna do copywriting. So basically, what you do is you just select right here the category, and then you come over here, and then you put in the same. You enter the keyword. I'm just going to do copywriting. If you want to spin things, you can. I wouldn't recommend it all the time, so I'll just say not for right now. And click search category. Okay, so I'll show you right now what we have. We have 42 articles right now on copywriting, okay, that you can use, but we're going to actually soon have 100 more because I'm going to show you how I do that, okay? So let's say you find these articles and this is what you want your topic to be about, say copywriting, okay? So you want to start getting some articles put together. So basically what you're going to do is you're just going to come over here, all right, and you're just going to click on these, check these boxes. So we're going to go right here, and then we click Save Results. So it's going to save these right here. So it says it saved them, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Import, because this is where it imports them. And then we're going to look for the copywriting ones here. So here we slide right over here, and what you can do is you can just click on Add to Post, add to post, add to post, and this will actually add them to your WordPress website, okay? Then you can go back to them if you want. You can edit them if you want. I'm going to show you right here like how they look like. So you can see here, right here is copywriting in demand. Then you can see right here an SEO optimized article right there. So we'll just go back here in a minute. We'll click on this one right here. You can see another SEO optimized article right there. And let's go to the next one right here. And we can see another SEO optimized article right there. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we actually add more for you guys. But I'm going to show you too. You might have thought, well, how do I get images for my blog posts too? So what you can do is you can come over here, just click on images. Sometimes it takes you to go back over here and refresh it here. So I'm just going to go right here, click back to content. Auto content creation. Then you come over here to image. Then I'm just going to paste right here, copywriting. These are copyright free, so you can click on any of these images right here. So I'll just show you. Just click right here that you want to use these images right here. Click save. So click save the results. And then you just come right over here. And you can always use these in the future. It just adds them right here for you guys. All right, so there you go. There's the copywriting images that you can use. We'll go back over here, and I'm going to show you how you can actually put in YouTube videos, okay, too, in your blog posts. So you just go right here. I'm going to put copywriting here, and it's basically going to pull up YouTube Shorts and long form videos that have to do with copywriting here. And you can see there's 98 videos, YouTube videos that is pulled up. There's 10 pages right here, so you're not going to run out of any information. It's the same thing, just like with images. You just click right here and you save the results, then you can use them for later, okay? So you might be asking yourself also too is, I heard that this plugin can also do auto blogging, and guess what? It can. And I'm going to show you exactly how it is, okay? So you come right over here to auto blogging, then you come here, add new campaign. We're just going to call this one copywriting. And then basically every day we're going to have one go out. You can do every hour. I would do every day. Decide how many you want to go out. And then right here, this is choose image keywords. So basically what this is going to do is this is going to pull images that have to do with copywriting. You can put other ones that have to do with copywriting that kind of go with it if you want to look for more selection, or you can just decide to add your own images if you want to. Then choose the video right here. You're never going to run out of videos on YouTube because there are literally billions and billions and billions of videos on any kind of category you can think of imaginable. Okay, so select right here if you want. If you want to spin, I wouldn't do it. Then you come down here and then you look for copywriting or whatever topic that you're going to be doing your article writing about. And then we just paste right here again our keyword. And then what we do is right here, this is different. It shows you all of them here. So you're going to see all of them that we have in here. I think it was like 40 some. And then we're going to come down here and we're going to click on right here. Just going to click on these 4 right here. And then what you do is you saved campaign. So then where the auto blogging schedules go is right here, schedule post. All right. And then you can go right here and then you can look in here on the page right here and you can see copywriting right there. And then at the bottom, you're going to see the other 2 copywritings right there. So basically what's going to happen is you can see right here. All right. These are scheduled for the 25th of November and then the 26th of November. Or not November, I'm sorry, the 25th of February. I don't know where I'm going backwards. And here we go, February 26th. And then you can see right here, this is going to be February 27th and then February 28th. Okay, so it's that simple in setting up all this information. So like I said, you can always come back here, click here and look for other topics. Like I said, we have hundreds of different categories. If you don't see your category also, just let us know and we will actually set up a new category for you. And then we will write you 100 articles for that particular category that you want. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we actually write more articles for you guys. So like once you send us a support ticket, so basically what I'm going to do is below this video, you can click on the description. There'll be a link to our free WordPress auto blogging plugin called My Content Creator Pro, the free version. So basically what you'll do is you'll just, if you want to ask us for particular topics of the articles you want written, you just come down here, click on support. This page will pop up here. You just click on support right here and you just submit a support ticket. Either you can do it in general support questions, or you can go here to My Content Creator Pro, put your name, your email address, your subject line, and then which topics or categories you want articles written about. And like I said, we will write 100 articles for you, SEO optimized, that you can actually get access to unlimited content for your WordPress website. Okay. So I'm just going to close this out right here. All right. And like I said, once you're ready to do this, I still watch the video and I'm going to show you how we actually create these articles for you guys. So, but once you're ready, just come over here, click the link and put your name, your email address, click yes, I want this, then confirm the email that you get. Once you confirm that email, you will get taken to the thank you page. There'll be another email sent to you that you can click on, take you to the thank you page. And then we have a video that you can watch and see how everything works even in more detail. Okay, you're going to get free lifetime upgrades. You're going to get free training. You're going to get access to over 1 million niche articles. You're going to get basically every single month we add literally thousands of new niche articles that we add, topics that we want to add, and then for people that write a support ticket and let us know. Okay, so basically when you actually ask us which ones we want, like yesterday, today, or yesterday's video I made about another category for AI marketing, since that's a big one, and it wrote 100 different articles about AI marketing. Okay, so today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, since we already have the category done, I'm just going to go here, article writing. You won't see this section. This is for us. Then I'm going to find copywriting here. Okay, there's copywriting there. Then I'm going to do 100 articles here. And then I'm going to show you these because I want you to see that we're really getting these things written. And I'm not just saying that we're doing this, but we're actually really doing this. A lot of people on the internet say they're doing things, but they don't actually do them. So I want you to see that this is a plugin that actually really works. And it actually does exactly what I say. So now here it is. Here's the 100 article titles that it's going to write these articles about. It takes about 30 to 60 minutes to write all these articles. I'm just going to press right here so it processes 3 articles at a time. So what I'll do is I'll come back over here. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through about 10 of these so you can see the quality of the article topics. And we're doing copywriting. So how to craft a compelling copywriting content, 10 tips to writing irresistible copy, copywriting versus content writing, what's the difference, the best copywriting tools for beginners, advanced copywriting techniques for converting leads, common mistakes to avoid in copywriting, the ultimate guide to copywriting for e-commerce, 5 copywriting strategies for social media, copywriting for SEO tips for ranking higher, how to write copywriting that sells. Okay, so these are all fresh new articles that you can get access to. If you want some more fresh articles even in this topic, just let me know. But these articles are getting written right now for you guys. So, there's a lot of sites out there. I even have a PLR site and stuff, but I don't sell any PLR articles just because I have this service that people can use with their WordPress website to get unlimited content to write for their blog posts. So I just rather give it away to you guys for free. It makes more sense to me instead of you going out there and literally spending thousands of dollars on PLR articles when you can get them right here. And these are fresh articles that are written that aren't like 10 plus years old, that are outdated, that aren't any good. So I'm giving you updated, high quality, SEO optimized articles that you can use to have unlimited content for your WordPress website. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over here so you can see. Last time we checked in here, I think there was like 40 some articles. So we're going to see right here so I can show you that the system is writing them right now. So we're just going to go copywriting. And here we go. Last time there was 42, I think. Now there's 52. So you can see that the system is adding right there. Plus, I can show you right here. Let's see, it says 53 right now. But if I scroll up here, you can see right here, there's no errors, and it has remaining of 89 articles that are getting written right now. Now, if you have any kind of questions at all, post them below in the description, or you can actually, post them in our support ticket area. We're here to help. We want to make sure that you can take your business to the next level and have the content that you need for your WordPress website. Many years ago, it used to be very expensive because, like I said, either someone was going to write the articles for you or you got PLR articles for you, but still, it could literally cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single month to buy this content. And actually, when I first got started back in, I think it was like somewhere between 2004 and 2007, they didn't have this kind of stuff. And a lot of the articles that were written back then in PLR sites and stuff like that were pretty much garbage. So things have gotten better, but a lot of the articles you find on these PLR sites are literally 10 plus years old. And you want fresh articles like I showed you today, okay? So let me go back here and just refresh this right here so you can see we have 53 right now. And now we have 61, okay? So again, if you have any kind of questions, post them below and we'll get back to it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoy the unlimited articles that you're going to receive today for 100% free. Make sure you download My Content Creator Pro, the free version. Click the link below this video or in the first description in the YouTube comments area, and we will send you over an email and you can download the free WordPress Autoblogging plugin and start getting unlimited content that will increase your traffic, leads, and sales. I'll see you in the next video. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.